Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome to my studio. Today we're going to be making really easy, cute faux leather wristlets. So you can put keys on this. You can add a light change purse, like if you just carry a little purse that has your ID and your debit card and some cash. This would be super cute. Really easy. You don't have to take a purse with you. So we're just going to jump in and make these. So here are the ones we already made. If you follow us on Facebook, we made these. We made this one during our live last night. But I'm going to pull these aside, and I'm going to show you what you need to make them. So you can get this kit off Amazon. I'll put a link below. And it comes with the pliers that you need because they're special pliers, and 3 different colors, excuse me, of hardware. So we're going to pick out, I'll put these here. And I think I'm going to go ahead and just grab the silver one because I know that's what I want to use. And then we're going to look at our different faux leather. So this was also purchased from Amazon, and I'm just going to go through and see what colors I haven't made yet and which ones I do want to make. Now, the glitter you can cut. If you're going to use the glitter faux leather, I do suggest you use your Cricut, but I'm not going to use my Cricut cutter for this. I'm going to use a Cricut cutter, but it's going to be the portable trimmer that they have. So we'll get into that once we decide what we're going to use. So I think, I don't know, that one's kind of cute. I like that. Though this is cute too. Okay, I already did this one. I think I'm going to do this one. I like this. So guys, I'm making a bunch of these as gifts to give to friends and family. So that's why I have like so many. You can buy these sets of faux leather off of Amazon, but you can also buy rolls of it at places like Hobby Lobby. I don't know that I've seen it at Michael's, to be quite honest with you, now that I'm thinking about it, but I get my faux leather either on Amazon or Hobby Lobby. Let me measure the size of this. So this is 10 1/4 by just under 8. So this is a nice size. If you can get the rolls, obviously the rolls are longer, but they're only like 6 inches sometimes. So it just depends on where you purchase it at. So what I'm going to do is with my portable trimmer, I just want to remind you guys, I use it. I love this trimmer. I recommend it to so many people, but there are like quirks with it, things that you need to know whenever you're using them. So my suggestion is feed it through the open side. So come through this way. I use my trimmer upside down. Okay. Because if you can see the Cricut here, I use my trimmer with the Cricut facing away from me because 1, I'm blind, and 2, there's an arm on the side of this trimmer in case you didn't know. And what I do is when I'm cutting something longer than 4 inches, I pull the arm out. I have it towards me so that I can pull my whatever I'm cutting down to match up with the line. Some people flip their trimmer and push it to the top. I like to have mine turned upside down because I pull my blade. I don't normally push my blade to start. I pull it. So I digress. We'll move on from there. Okay, so I feed it through, and I'm going to go to the 1 inch mark. So this is nicely marked. You know where your 1 inch is the whole way out. And what I'm going to do is take my blade not past the faux leather. And here, I'll show you why. If you start, and this isn't always, but it can happen, and it's just better to not let it happen to start with. But if you start clear out here with your faux leather and you're pressing down, it will jam up your leather, okay? It bends it, it makes it crunchy, and we don't want that. So what we want to do is when we lay our faux leather down, we want to start it further in. So we're going to line it up. We're going to sink our blade down in. All that means is come in from the top a little bit, sink your blade down in, hold the side of your trimmer, press down, press up. And then it cuts it so nicely. And then you can just peel away at the fiber and you have your 1 inch. Now you may be saying, how did I know to cut it at 1 inch? That's the base of your hardware. So 1 inch is going to go from side to side on the hardware. So that's it. We're done cutting. We can put our trimmer away. And now we just need our pliers, our hardware, and our faux leather. At this point, if you wanted to, you could take a little bit of hot glue and hot glue your piece at the bottom. I'm not going to do that, but you can do that. It would just give you a little bit more security when you're putting it into, when you're feeding it into here. It would just stay together. That would be my only suggestion for that. So what I do is I lay my faux leather in against the flat part. I'm sorry, I have it flipped upside down. Against the flat part of the hardware. So you can see there's the flat part, and then there's these 2 little eye hooks that go in. So I lay my finger on the back of the flat part, take the pliers, feed it into the bottom, and then you're going to start to squeeze. Now, as you're squeezing, you're going to pull your thumb out or fingers, whatever you had holding in there, and you're going to put your fingers on the sides because now that's guiding your faux leather to stay into place. And then you're just going to slowly, as you're pushing down, you're going to move your fingers away because it's going to catch it with those little eye hooks. So I'm just going to pull it down a little bit more and press to make sure that's in tight. And there you go. It's all set to go. You can hang your change purse. You can hang your keys. If you didn't want to make them this big that they go on your wrist, say you just have a drawer full of keys for maybe like your RV, your lawnmower, your multiple cars, your shed, your basement, your attic, whatever, you could make these half the size. So you would cut it, say you want it at 2 inches, you would cut your faux leather at 4 inches, fold it over, and you could just make it this big. Then you could take heat transfer vinyl and put, van, shed, attic, basement, RV, whatever, right on here. And then you'll toss these in a drawer. And if you need the RV key, you just run out and get in your drawer and you know right where it is. So definitely a cute little item that you could give as a gift. You could sell these. I mean, these are definitely sellers. You could sell these for where I'm located in the Northeast. You could sell these for $3 to $5. If you personalize them, you could always up the cost to $7. Definitely a great idea. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I have some more videos going up today. I'm trying to film, like batch film, and get them out to you guys. So yeah, I'll have links below, also links to our Facebook page. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.